Alright guys, good morning. We made it to Club MX for the Saturday open house. We took us about 8 or 9 hours. We actually boondocked in a Walmart parking lot about 40 miles away last night. That's America's favorite campground, Walmart parking lot. So yeah, and then we came in this morning. It's 8 a.m. We got the bikes unloaded. We could not get the lock to work on the door for the longest time this morning. Thought we were gonna have to sawzall the lock off, and ended up jiggling enough to get it to work after like 20 minutes. So yeah, we're unloaded. The dogs are coping. I wouldn't say well, but they're coping. Yeah, they have been little monsters the whole trip. Yeah, I forgot my leveling blocks, so the trailer's a little bit off level, but we'll be okay. We're gonna be here tonight. Get up and ride in the morning for a couple hours, depending on how good the grass track is. They're supposed to be opening tomorrow. Then we're going to be heading back home. So, yeah, should be fun. Stay tuned. This place is sick. You see that? A gym?
Yeah.
Gym, race shop, and a there's a garage and a pro shop. Straight up. Tired? Yep.
Braking bunker kicking my...
They pretty bad out there now? Looked like you were doing really good.
I felt better, but... Oh, good. They would have pulled me off next lap anyway, so I
Yeah.
don't feel so bad.
Okay. Alright guys, it's Sunday morning. We made it through that cold Saturday night. We didn't run the furnace at all because the carbon monoxide and propane detector was messing up, so we didn't want to run the furnace overnight. But we survived. We didn't freeze too bad, and we're about to go sign up and get ready to ride this GP track. Sansa, do you have anything to say to the camera? No? What about you, Bran? You've been barking all morning, now you don't have anything to say? Alright guys, this is all sick. You see this sand? Looks like it's been here for a long time and prepped. This was 100% grass like this an hour ago. And just by riding on no equipment whatsoever, it looks like a perfectly groomed and manicured track. Absolutely sick. Yeah, so this is the first time anybody's rode in this field. I guess they had some permit issues, so they didn't have time to build the entire track, but this is gonna be where the new public track is from now on. Yeah, so they actually bulldozed the old public practice track, and I guess they bulldozed it before they got the permits ready for this track, so they didn't have time to get this track done. So, but yeah, they're gonna put some jumps and stuff out here. They've got one little jump section over there. It's pretty sweet, but yeah, can't wait to come back down and see what this track's like when they finish it, because they've got a huge area to work with, and it's just a nice big cow pasture. It's really sweet.